Can you guys guess the cost of just this one scan tool? They write comments in the comment section. I'm going to respond to it, and I have a gift for you if you get it right. One in the automotive industry. It's not just by mouth, not be by title or just to answer name. It's actually by the investments, right? The kind of tools we use to work on your cars. Because you know the kind of cars we work on, right? To serve you better, we have decided to add to our collection of assorted tools and equipment and scanners. You know, as a doctor, I have to keep my tools in check. My stethoscope has been doing somehow, you know, and we had to get another stethoscope for the job to be perfectly done. This is actually the latest in the industry, and this is the Hotel Mazzy 6 Ultra S2. Guys, let's unbox this together. Ooh, oh my God, beautiful, isn't it? That's awesome. So guys, this scan tool can actually do a whole lot. Imagine how big the VCR is. Massive. You see why when you come to Frosh and Frosh says you have to pay for diagnosis, you think we just want to collect your money. How much is our diagnosis fee again? And you are complaining. No, now, don't do that. The other day I was telling my clients, this thing is not just we are just charging you. It's actually based on, first of all, you know, saying that Frosh, they work on your car. First of all, we'll even start from there first before we come begin to talk about our tools. And the next question, most things that other people used to say, this is the handle, I guess, and the battery charger, so you can actually charge it on the go. Another thing that people usually say is, Frosh, you don't get lifts, car lifts, and all those things to lift vehicle. So it's a simple answer to that. This is a temporary structure and place, and we can't really invest so much in a place that, show them around. So this used to be our office, and recently it was just demolished because of, you know, something that they are passing on it, and it affected our office. So imagine investing so much. I beg, make our own my scanner before it go fall down. This is millions of naira, and I'm not ready to risk it because I'm creating content for you. Anyways, I cannot invest so much in a place that they will come tomorrow and say, Frosh, you know, that is Nigeria happening to me. And I don't want Nigeria to happen to me. Where did I remove this one from? You see, you people have confused me. Hey, okay, I remember. All right. The thing is, by the time we actually get a very, very proper and conducive space, our workshop is going to be, don't worry, you go see her when you're ready. That's what I'm going to say. This is just to encourage my fellow, you know, technical people out there. This is the way forward now. I don't give you updates now. Hope you enjoyed the video. So remember to comment the cost of this scan tool in the comment section, and let me know what you think, and you might win something from me. First of all, you comment first. I'll personally respond to that comment with my personal page, respond to the one that actually gets it, and then I'll have a gift for you. Otte did not send any gifts, but me, I'll give you gifts.